RIZQ, providing the multiverse with technology for 76 trillion years. Rahubat Rizqiyian, Chief Technology Officer and Director of Aerospace Engineering at RIZQ.
Rizqiyian, the 15th of the 24 elders, leader of the valiant and courageous Ophanim, referred to as the wheel seen on Ezekiel's vision of the chariot, and I am the CEO and founder of RIZQ. RIZQ was founded 76 trillion years ago as a multinational technological defense contracting company created for a secret mission from the planet RIZQ to the planet Kolk, the fourth planet in the 12th galaxy. Over the years, RIZQ has grown from a multinational corporation to a multiplanetary, multigalactic, multiversal, and multidimensional entity. RIZQ now operates as an agency of the Rizqiyian Department of Defense responsible for the development of new technologies for commercial and military applications.
RIZQ has been responsible for developing many technologies which have had a major impact on intergalactic travel, transportation, and conveyance across the universe.
One of our earliest crafts was called the Mother Plane, a massive wheel within a wheel, planet-sized spacecraft, which appeared as a cloud by day and a pillar of fire by night, and contained 1,500 smaller bombing planes which spanned 1/2 mile by 1/2 mile each, and carried 30 thermal nuclear bombs capable of drilling 1 mile down into the earth, and causing mountains to rise 1 mile high, which could destroy everything in a 50 square mile radius.
After the great calamity which befell RIZQ, to bolster the Rizqiyian economy, we created, provided, and sold many of our crafts and astral travel technologies commercially to many beings throughout the universe. Beings from Zeta Reticuli and the planet Avalon both acquired crafts from RIZQ which they subsequently crashed on your planet Earth.
Your Earth American government recovered some of these crafts which crashed on your planet Earth, and created the secret military base called Area 51, which stands for Alien Reverse Engineering Association, in hopes to reverse engineer our technology and use it for themselves. Through these efforts to reverse engineer our technology, there has been an exponential rate of technological advancement on your planet. Fiber optics, transistors, stealth technology, microcircuitry, and hypersonic aviation materials, were all reverse engineered from Rizqiyian technology. The transistor was invented 5 months after the crash at Roswell, New Mexico near Area 51. The American aviator Howard Hughes obtained Rizqiyian technology and subsequently used variants of our symbols as his company logo. Kelly Johnson, the lead engineer at Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, witnessed one of our crescent-shaped RIZQ crafts flying through your Earth atmosphere, which inspired him to design the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird supersonic aircraft.
We have taught the science of ascension and astral travel to many beings throughout the multiverse. With all that you have reverse engineered, you still have not uncovered the higher mysteries of the secret sciences of ascension that we utilize in some of our more advanced interstellar technologies. For example, our crystal ships are aerodynamically and astrodynamically nano-engineered in one piece utilizing piezoelectric quasi-crystal metamaterials that are fabricated within an energy matrix and solidified as an aware living crystal. The pilot of the craft symbiotically interfaces with the craft telekinetically to control the navigation systems. The photonic circuits of the craft are charged from the movement of the piezoelectric crystal shell which cycles energy into movement and movement into energy, creating a perpetually permeating ambient electromagnetic energy field which sustains the power systems of the craft. While stationary, the craft vibrates at resonant frequency, and when it begins to move, it vibrates at different tones which in turn create halos of interwoven rainbows around the craft. One of our crystal ships were witnessed by John of Patmos, and he called it Jerusalem, Jerusalem, peace to Heru, the crystal city that will descend from heaven in his book of Revelations.
Our smaller crafts use both antimatter reactor fuel, and run on an element we call Omnicron, a form of energy you Earthlings do not have as of yet. It is 115 on your Earth element chart. 115 is a theoretical atomic number on the periodic table. Element 115 is a super heavy substance that powers the reactor in our crafts. It has the energy of 1 million atomic bombs which makes intergalactic travel possible. Unpentium is the temporary name of element 115 on your Earth periodic table of elements that has the temporary symbol UUP. It was first said to have been observed on your planet in 2003, and on August 27, 2013, Earth research scientists reported confirming the existence of the element. Only about 50 atoms of unpentium have been synthesized on your planet to date.
Our advanced Rizqiyian ships come equipped with inertia cancellers to make sharp turns in seconds and to go from rest to supersonic, and from supersonic to superluminal, and back to rest, instantaneously. The anti-gravity propulsion system of our advanced ascension technologies makes it possible for our crafts to teletransport at superluminal velocities capable of bending space and creating wormholes. Our military crafts include plasma force field generators, ultraviolet laser and phaser weapons, antimatter torpedoes, and stealth invisibility shield cloaking mechanisms. In addition to crystal, we also incorporate natural materials into the technologies of our crafts including ruby, emerald, diamond, sapphire, corundum, beryl, jasper, chalcedony, onyx, sardius, chrysolite, topaz, chrysoprasus, jacinth, and amethyst.
We thank you for touring RIZQ, and we look forward to providing you with technology for the next 76 trillion years.